handle. I believe you can order these from Starrett in different lengths. I believe they have like 6, 8, 10, and 12, possibly even longer. Alright, got about 20 thousandths to come out of there. So I'm going to swap out this tool, even though it's not bad. I'm going to swap it out. I've already got my other tool. It is a little bad. I know you can't see it on that GoPro because I can't get in there zoomed in on it, but it's got wear on the cutting edge and the corners a little bit rounded off. So I went ahead and went over there and reground this one and honed it. And something that I wanted to talk about, I kind of want to just do it in another video, but whenever you grind these brazed on tool bits, it's best to go to your bench grinder, whatever grinder you use for grinding steel and that kind of stuff. Relieve the soft metal underneath the carbide so that when you go to your green wheel or whatever wheel you use to grind your carbide, you're not grinding all this soft steel with it. And that's how I was taught. You can see I kind of relieve it underneath it at an angle. So you can go over there and grind the end of your carbide and you're not grinding all this steel underneath of the tool bit. Same thing on this side. If you was to grind this side, you go in there, kind of relieve some of this underneath the edge so that you're not grinding all that steel. So that one's ready to go. That should give me a nice edge to help finish this thing out with. Taking a 10,000ths cut. I'm gonna let that go through there. I slowed the feed rate down. We're running a 10,000ths feed rate, 115 RPM. I'm gonna let that cut and we'll retract it and measure it and finish it out. So the dimension that was given to me was 4.440, which is basically clearance for 4 7/16, and a plus tolerance of 5 thousandths. I'm getting exactly 440 right there. I'm going to check it down up in there and see what I'm getting, because it does try to taper just a little bit. I got 443 on the back end, so I got 3 thousandths taper in it. I'm gonna do it one more time just to be sure. .442.5 that time. Okay, so we're within our tolerance on that. I was pretty pleased that I actually hit it right on the opening side right here, the entry side. All right, so our bore's done. Time to move on. We'll need to put a chamfer on there, and I'm going to find another tool bit. We're going to use another brazed on tool bit to turn the OD of this. I went ahead and broke that inside edge with a tool bit, and we're going to move on to our outside. Our OD is going to finish 8 1/8, 8.125. So it looks like we've got about 5/8 of an inch to come off that. let's see what 100 thousandths looks like. Not too bad. I'm going to go another 50. That's a pretty decent cut there. I think I'm going to leave it looks like that. We're going to let her cut. All right, so